Welcome to my channel Sara Art and Design. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the further videos notification. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Sara Art and Design. Today's my video's topic is how we can cut fabric to place already stitched suit on it, and it's very simple, very easy. We can use some tricks to do that. So if you like my video, then please give me a big thumbs up. So guys, let's get started. So we have to fold the fabric first and then place our already stitched suit on it. So it's very easy and a simple way. Just take the 2-inch margin from the corner side, I mean from the side of the fabric, and then measure your hip line, and then mark it out on the fabric. It's very simple to double fold the fabric, and it's a very easy way. It's not very time consuming, it's very comfortable. So just fold the fabric and settle out the fabric and place your stitched suit on the fabric. Settle it out first. I'm taking a band collar shirt. Just take your shirt which is fitted very well to you, which fitting is very perfect to you. First of all, iron your shirt and then fold it up and place on the fabric, otherwise it will not give you a better finish. Now we will going to mark our length over here. You can extend the length as per your choice. So here my length is 38 and I am adding 2-inch for seam folding from the ghair. So folding from the bottom, I am taking 2-inch extra. On the bottom I will place this fabric to little bit extend the, if you want to extend the length of your shirt, otherwise just give a better finish, you can use this fabric also. So over here I am leaving 1/2 inch margin on top of the folded fabric. Now marking near the neck width, here we have to mark our shoulder length. So I am taking 1/2 inch extra over here. Just match these dots and make a line. Now marking on a shoulder, then waist, and then a hip line. And match these points and make a fitting line over here. Just mark side to side of the shirt till the bottom. Now I am marking the neck depth over here. If you are using your band neck, then you have to mark the neck depth. Otherwise, if you're marking your simple shirt, so you are not required the neck width, neck deepness, because you are using your bukram part, and on the downward part you have to take the extra margin for the folding. Now I'm marking my shoulder line. Here is a shoulder slope and mark it out over here. I'm marking above of this line and taking 1/2 inch extra over here. Now make a box for the shoulder marking. So I'm taking 1 inch for the inner, for the front part of the shirt, shoulder. Now marking the curve of backside shoulder. Again marking the front side shoulder curve. So my marking is completed over here. Now I'm going to cut the fabric, but firstly you have to do before cutting, given the extra margin 1.5 inch or 2 inch as per your requirement, and mark it out. Now match these lines also. Match these points and make a line over here. Now cut the fabric. Cut the shoulder slope over here. First of all, we will cut the back side shoulder. So our back side portion cutting is completed. Now again folded double fabric and place the cutting piece on it. Settle it out in a proper way. Now cut. Here we will firstly cut the backside shoulder first. Now cut the shoulder slope. And now we are going to cut the front side of the shoulder. We have to cut the front side on the already marked part. So my shirt is almost done. You can extend over here, and if you have a plain fabric then you can make a design on it and attach the extra strip over here or any kind of a lace to make it very creative and graceful. Now fold the fabric for the sleeves. And put your shirt sleeve on the fabric. Match the folded portion to the folded side. First of all, we have to mark the 3.5 inch over here. And now I am leaving 1/2 inch on folded side for the seam allowance. So just straight the sleeve and mark it out from the shoulder. Now give the shoulder curve. I'm taking 1.5 inch margin for the stitching. Now here my length is 16 inch and I am taking 18 inch 2 inch for the folding. Straight the line and now mark the mori. Match these 2 points which are for extra. Now marking the front side of the sleeve. So here my sleeves marking is completed. Now match these 2 points also for the fitting. After fitting, you have to cut it out. And my cutting is completed over here. So guys, if you like my video, then please give me a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching my videos.